everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Roblox low FPS or lag in game. If Roblox is lagging lower in the game graphic settings, then first of all close your background apps to free up RAM. Then switch networks, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data, and also make sure that you're connected to a more stable connection so the app operates smoothly. Then head over to your app store and then update your app. Search for Roblox and make sure to update your app to the latest version. And also in settings, check if your iOS is updated to the latest version. On Android, clear cache. On iPhone, offload and reinstall if needed. To offload, in settings, go to general, then iPhone storage, scroll down, find Roblox and then offload the app. After that, lag should improve significantly after these adjustments, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.